What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And in this video I'm going to review a perfume from the house of RAYHAAN, and this is one of their most hyped perfume. And here I'm talking about RAYHAAN Elixir. And before we start the review, let me tell you that this is one of the best alternative of Le Male Elixir from the house of Jean Paul Gaultier, because I don't see a lot of alternatives of Le Male Elixir in the market, and I got few of them but they were bad, but this one is really amazing. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So you will get this perfume in this kind of box. You can see the box here. There is a black box with this golden paper cut out type of sleeve here. You can see the name of the brand RAYHAAN and the name of the perfume Elixir. So RAYHAAN Elixir, and you can see all these cutouts, and then you got this golden sides, and once again that pattern here in the back. So this is the box, a simple box. All the ingredient details, your manufacturing date, batch code is in the bottom, and then in the top you'll get the logo of RAYHAAN. And now let me show you the bottle. The bottle here is beautiful. This bottle is going to remind you Nishane's, I think, Shame or Nefs. It's in the same style but pattern is different, and here you go. So this is the bottle of RAYHAAN Elixir. You can see the beautiful golden cover on this bottle. It's made of plastic, it's not metal, but gives beautiful finishing. If you talk about the cap, it's made of metal, it's not very heavy, but see the finishing guys, it's beautiful. You can see the design, the logo of RAYHAAN on the top of the cap, and overall 10 on 10 for the presentation. For the bottle, box was okay type, but the bottle is really beautiful. So this is about the bottle, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I'll try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per their official notes breakdown, in the top you'll get bergamot and armoise, and then in the middle you'll get lavender, benzoin, and then in the base you'll get vanilla and tonka. Simple breakdown here, but as we all know, this is something very similar to Le Male Elixir, so this is more complex than that. So here, very elegant, sophisticated, sexy fragrance. Here, this is a beautiful scent based on vanilla and lavenders. So here, it opens with a beautiful, powdery, little bit spicy kind of vanilla mixed with beautiful lavenders, and lavenders are providing more of that powdery feel here. There is a spiciness and honeyed kind of sweetness here, and then towards the second phase it becomes a little bit more spicy. Honey starts to shine and tobacco starts to shine more. You will get that very beautiful tobacco-ish kind of vibe here, and then finally in the dry down it becomes a soft, powdery, vanilla, dusty kind of fragrance. Lavenders are going to stay with you from the start till end, definitely, but in the dry down it becomes more beautiful and more soft and more powdery. Somehow I can also smell some kind of iris here and some minty notes. The mint is not very prominent in the opening of this perfume, but in the middle towards the dry down you will get that minty kind of vibe here in this perfume, along with that powderiness and that sweet honey kind of note and tobacco. So overall, a beautiful scent profile. It's amazing. The quality is really nice here. The price of this perfume is less than 1/4 of the original Le Male Elixir. So with that kind of price tag, this one is really rocking. This is a no-brainer, and it smells so romantic. So this was about the fragrance, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So let's talk about performance. Performance wise, this is really good performer. I have used this perfume in my office for like 4 to 5 times. You can say in a whole week, from Monday to Friday. Yeah, it was like whole week, and trust me guys, I got like 8 to 10 hours easily. You need to start with like around 8 to 10 sprays, 4 or 5 on one side, 4 or 5 on one side, or 4 plus 2 in the back. It totally depends on you, but this perfume is going to stay with you for 8 to 10 hours easily. You may become nose blind, but people around you will be able to smell it. I got a lot of compliments with this perfume from my friends, my colleagues. One of my friends, he loved vanilla based fragrances and he was really loving it. So this was about The performance is great here. Even the projection is very good. Whenever you're going to interact with people, they will definitely able to smell it. Projection is very strong for the first 1 to 2 hours. After that, it becomes a little bit softer, but people around you will notice it. And now let's talk about the gender. So for me, this is a masculine scent, but I think some ladies can also rock it. For the age group, you should be a little bit mature. If you're around the age of like 18, 19 plus, you can rock it. For the season or weather, all year around, you can rock it easily, but don't go in the direct sunlight when the temperature is like 35-40 degrees plus. Definitely, because this is a vanilla based scent. Other than that, if you're staying indoors, it will rock, and especially for the best experience, use this perfume in cold weather. Like nowadays, the weather is beautiful and you are going to enjoy it a lot. So this was about the season or weather, and now let's talk about the occasion. For the occasion, this is a romantic scent. It's sophisticated, it's elegant, it's really beautiful type of scent. It's so decent. So you can wear this perfume in your office. You can wear this perfume on your dates, in parties, in clubs, in your corporate meetings, in your lunch, in your dinner, wherever you want, except the sports activities. Other than that, you can rock this perfume in any kind of scenario. So this was about the occasion, and now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume with this beautiful bottle, and the quantity you'll get here is 100 ml Eau de Parfum concentration, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 100 UAE dirhams. And this perfume is available on the website of RAYHAAN, and this perfume is also available now in Pakistan and India and Bangladesh. I'm going to put all the numbers and links and details in the description box, and I think RAYHAAN is also shipping this perfume all over the world. I'm not sure about that, but you can send them a message on their Insta page and they are going to reply you. So this was about RAYHAAN Elixir from the house of RAYHAAN. I hope you like this review. I'm going to catch you in another review of another kit product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.